welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Katie, and today I'm doing my long-awaited, mostly by me, holiday home tour and a little bit of a decorate with me video. I've always wanted to do this because we've been slowly renovating our house since we moved in a couple of years ago, and the rooms are finally kind of where I want them to be. So this is the first year that I really felt excited about decorating and making it look how I've always dreamed it to be. So I'm gonna take you along with me through each room, show you a little bit about how I decorated, the choices that I made, the style that I went with, and I'm just excited to kind of give you a nice little relaxing tour. There's also going to be a giveaway as promised last week with some of the gift basket items that I shared with you, so make sure you watch the whole video to see how to enter and what you can win. This week is also really exciting because we have a sponsor for this video who quite literally saved me coincidentally because I had this crazy incident with all of my groceries being stolen this week. I'll tell you about that a little bit later, but I am working with Hellofresh and it was perfect because I was able to have some great dinners this week, and I'm gonna show you what I made. It was so delicious, and you guys can use my code KatieBooksAre80 to get $80 off across 5 boxes, including free shipping on your first box. So you can visit the link right down in my description box for more details. So I can't wait to share a little bit more about it with you guys and what I made, but first let's get into some decorating. So I figured I would start with the kitchen. It's always one of my favorite spots to decorate for Christmas. So I just wiped down all the counters and everything, and then I'm just going to go through all of my Christmas stuff. I have a bin of stuff right here, and then I also have some stuff in the basement, so I'm gonna go through it all. Okay, I just got my garland from last year out of storage. I'll link that video down below if you guys wanna check it out, but I made this orange and wood bead garland, and then obviously this is fake greenery, but I just got it out of storage. It has held up so well. A lot of people were wondering how the oranges stored from year to year. They look a little bit darker than last year, but really not bad. I didn't do anything to it to store it. I just put it in a like sealed box, like a Rubbermaid. So yeah. First things first, I've got this fake greenery. I just wrapped it in these little wooden starlights, which I think looks so cute. So I'm gonna put it in this wood bowl, just for a little something to keep on the counter. And then also I made this a couple of weeks ago with my Cricut in a video, and it's so pretty. So I can't decide. This is more aesthetically pleasing, but that matches, so I don't know. Okay, I like how that looks. It's kind of whimsical, and I added this little tree and my marble cutting board, so I think that'll do it for that little section of the counter. Okay, so I'm doing a little DIY here. I don't even know if you can call it a DIY. It's super easy, but I'm taking ribbon and I'm putting little bows on my kitchen canisters. I saw Shelby from Pretty in the Pines on Instagram. If you guys don't follow her, you should. She has some amazing inspiration, but she was just making tiny little bows and putting them on random items in her house that wouldn't normally be decorated for Christmas, and I thought that was such a cute idea. So I have these canisters and I love how they look in my kitchen, but I just thought, let's like tie them in with my decor. So I'm just making little bows out of this ribbon, and then I'm using some double-sided tape to stick them on, and then they can easily be removed at the end of the season. So then I just added this little slate board that I have over here with this cute sign and a candle and some extra fake pine to finish it off. So I think we are all done with the kitchen. I'll show you the final look. Right, now that the kitchen is all clean and decorated, it's time to take a little break for some food because I'm starving. So here are the options that I got from Hellofresh this week. Spicy maple chicken. I love maple, so that looks amazing. Cheesy French onion chicken, also really good. And then this one, a honey miso, sweet potato, and mushroom jumble. And I think I'm gonna go with this one because I love a good rice bowl and it looks really pretty. So gonna try it out. So with HelloFresh, you get pre-portioned ingredients. They all come in this convenient little bag, and you don't waste any food because you use everything that they give you. You get to choose from new recipes each week, and as you saw on the recipe cards that I showed you, they all sound incredible. You also get the option to change delivery days if you want to, or even skip a week, and you can even add on extra sides if you'd like. Okay, just popped the first batch of veggies in the oven. It already smells so good, but I told you I was gonna tell you this weird story about my groceries. So I placed a grocery order for just like our regular things that we get, the basics from our local grocery store. And it said that it got delivered. It was kind of late at night. I went out to get them and there were 2 bags there and they each had like one thing inside, which was, we were supposed to get like 10 to 12 bags or something like that. And I swear I thought I had heard car doors earlier. And so then I'm thinking like, did someone come up and steal all of our food right off of our porch? We never figured it out. I have no idea what happened. They just weren't there. They just disappeared. But then we got this HelloFresh order. So it was actually very perfect because I wasn't sure what we were gonna do for dinners this week. So with all that being said, this could not have come any more perfect time. I'm just adding the sriracha mayo here and some sesame seeds on top. This meal was so delicious. It really filled us both up. It was so hearty and just so many different flavors we really enjoyed. So I can't wait to try the other 2 meals out later this week. So I'm not gonna lie, I was feeling so tired when I was decorating the family room that I just wasn't in the mood to film the process, but I'm going to give you a little tour now and show you all the little details because I think it came out so pretty and I want to share them with you. Okay, let's start with the coffee table, and I apologize if there's sound outside. I think they're picking up leaves right now, right outside my window, but I've got this hammered gold tray. I think I got it from Target a few years back, and it's one of my favorite things. I keep it up year round, but I've added some little bottle brush trees and a gingerbread candle, and then this is a terracotta little planter pot that I got at Michael's a couple of years back, but I've just filled it up with some pine cones, some fake pine and berries, and then this vase with some faux Christmas greenery. Then I like to keep a couple of books on the coffee table, and then I've got this candle holder that my husband got me in Denmark, and then some coasters. So this is just pretty simple, but I love the way that it turned out, and I think it's feeling really cozy. We also do wreaths on the windows outside and candles in the windows. And just a side note, we're getting a new couch next month, which I'm super excited about because this one has never fit in this room. It's way too big. Okay, over here on this little TV console area, this is from IKEA, and I've just added some vases with some olive branches and then more bottle brush trees. I like to keep this really simple over here. And then I've got a basket with birch logs that I keep here, and I've just wrapped them in some twinkle lights. Adding twinkle lights to literally anything this time of year just makes it look so magical and so festive. So like that could be a fake tree that you have or logs like this, and it just makes it look so pretty. Now for my favorite part, the mantle. This is my favorite thing to style every season, and I love decorating it for Christmas. So I decided to go with some fake greenery, and then I've got some twinkle lights throughout it. And then these black candles are from IKEA. And then I also added these 2 candles that I got at a thrift shop, just because I liked kind of like the variance between the different colors and the textures. I think that looks really pretty. And then these stocking holders, which are actually 2 pieces. So this is the stocking holder, and then I realized I had these little houses that I actually picked up at the thrift store for $1 a piece. And I've seen stocking holders with little houses on them, so I literally just set them on top, like they're not even connected. But I think it's a really cute, like temporary solution to making that like look of the little house stocking holders, but you don't have to actually buy them. You can just stick the little houses on top. I thought that was super fun. I love to sit here and make a fire at night and watch Christmas movies. It's super cozy. Today I want to work on the dining room, so specifically this little buffet side table here. So I've collected just a bunch of Christmas items that I think I can use over there. And then I'm gonna keep the table really simple, just keeping these things on here. This table is secondhand, so we still have to sand it down and refinish it, but that's gonna be a really big project. So for now, we're just keeping it like this, but this is what the dining room looks like. We just installed some new light fixtures up here, so it looks really pretty. So I'm excited. This is the first time since we moved in that I'm going to be decorating this little side table over here. So that is what I'm gonna do today. So here's what I'm working with. This is from IKEA. I got it last year. And then I've got this really cute gold Oh Holy Night sign, some more bottle brush trees, these metal black reindeer. I love them so much. And then this vase, which was a DIY. It was a thrifted vase that was silver, and I just spray painted it matte black, and I've added some fake seeded eucalyptus to it. So I'm just gonna play around with all of these items and try to make them look cute. light in here is gorgeous right now. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. And then, like I said, for the table, I'm just going to keep it very, very simple with this on here. And I think that'll do it. In the living room next to the dining room, we have our second Christmas tree. We have another one in the family room, but this one is my more neutral kind of Scandinavian tree. I've got these wooden snowflakes and some different colored ornaments, but they are just kind of black, gold, and bronze, nothing too crazy. And I really love this tree. And also we got a record player this year, so we've been really enjoying listening to some different records, Bing Crosby and other kind of vintage Christmas ones. So this is the living room, and I just love the space. Now onto the giveaway, which I'm so excited for one of you guys to win. The first thing that you're going to get is a set of 4 of these little blue glass jars for votives or tea lights or whatever you want to use them for. The pattern on them is so pretty, and I'm really excited to gift them to one of you. You'll also be getting one of my favorite things, this Plant Lady mug. So if you love your plants, or if you know someone who does and this would be a good gift for them, I'm going to include that in this basket. I love the design on it, and I really kind of want to keep it for myself, but I also want to give it to one of you. Next up is this Boho wall hanging made by yours truly. It's just a simple wall hanging with some gold hoops and macrame cord, but I think it's a really pretty boho piece, so I hope you'll enjoy it. And lastly are these reusable beeswax food wraps. You can hear me talk about them more in my video from last week, but you can use them to wrap up snacks and fruits and veggies and things like that, then just wash them and reuse them. So it's a really good eco-friendly option and can save you some money, and it has a really cute pattern. So I'm making entry to this giveaway really, really easy. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, hit the bell notification, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. That is it. It's very simple. The giveaway will be open until December 24th, Christmas Eve, and then I will select the winner. This giveaway is open to US residents only. I would love to do an international giveaway someday, but for right now, this one is open to US residents, so good luck. I hope you guys enjoyed my little holiday home tour. I have to know which room was your favorite, so let me know in the comments down below. And to check out Hellofresh, click the link right in my description box and use my code KatieBooksAre80 to get $80 off across 5 boxes. I hope you all have an amazing holiday season. You guys are the absolute best. I'm so happy to have you here, and I can't wait to see you soon.